Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewer, dear friends and dear subscribers, today we will see in this video most beautiful and stylish. You will see in this video stylish girls nail art ideas, 40 plus unique stylish plain and printed girls nail art, very outstanding and very stylish unique different girls nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. I have uploaded very stylish plain and printed girls nail art, different girls nail art ideas and unique girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new unique girls nail art and modern girls nail polish designs. So dear viewers, I have uploaded girls nail art, negative space nail art, winter seasons nail art, minimal treatment nail art, and you will see hundreds of new stylish nail art ideas daily on my channel. So dear viewers, please visit my YouTube channel and check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of modern, stylish, beautiful girls nail cutting designs. So dear viewers, don't forget so dear viewer, you will see in this videos new all modern and stylish attractive girls nail art with fingering designs. So dear viewer, dear friends and dear subscribers, thank you so much guys. So dear viewer, you will see in this videos very outstanding and very stylish modern girls nail art with fingering designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So dear viewers, do you have new ideas of unique girls nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring more unique girls nail polish designs, latest and stylish. You will see in this videos modern nail polish design. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your modern nail art ideas. So dear viewers, I hope